voquzlabs, the leading provider of dedicated licensing, authorizations and compliance solutions for SAP, welcomes you to this session. In today's setQ, we're going to look at the SAP User Conformance with audit and regulatory requirements. So setQ comes with 5 specific modules or managers that help SAP administrators in conforming with the relevant regulations, the audits and the law. The first of these is Identity Manager. We also have an Emergency Manager, a Mitigation Manager, Compliance Manager and a Compliance Reference Manager. Let's have a quick look at each of these managers in a little bit more detail. So the Identity Manager helps to create in a comfortable way the administration and maintenance of the user profiles from one centralized position, and this really helps to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in user identity management across your SAP landscapes. The Emergency Manager helps simplify and distribute the control where exceptional authorizations are required across your SAP landscape, for example in leave provision, etc. Mitigation Manager helps to improve conflicts from the Compliance Manager when submitted through Mitigation Manager, and these can be reviewed at regular intervals in terms of compensatory controls specifically related to the audits that you may have on a yearly or half-yearly basis. And then the Compliance Manager. This analyzes any weaknesses and risks and any violations that may occur in your SAP systems related to the law or audit regulations, and it can permanently display these in an offline or while running in the background of the system. This helps to ensure that you're compliant on a regular basis. And lastly, the Compliance Reference Manager has over 500 prefabricated audit queries that are customizable to fit your requirements to ensure that you pass the audit with flying colors.